Hi guys, my name is Archit. I go as Architlost on Instagram, and today you're watching me on Femina.in. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Femina. Today we're making a chocolate whiskey cake with a chocolate frosting and some fresh strawberries on top. So let's get started. In an empty container, add 1 cup of granulated sugar and 3/4 cup of vegetable oil. Whisk it together till you have a smooth paste. Now add 3 eggs to this paste and whisk the mixture until it's light and airy. Now add 60 milliliters of whiskey. I'm also adding a little bit of vanilla extract here. And now let's whisk those flavors in. For our dry ingredients, first put a strainer on top of the container, and in goes our flour, baking soda, baking powder, salt, instant coffee, and our unsweetened cocoa powder. Mix it around to fasten the process of straining. You can use a spatula to break down bigger granules left behind at the end. Now let's begin combining the wet and dry ingredients by using the folding method. At this point, add some milk to this mixture. Pour half and mix it well before adding the remaining half cup of milk. Now take a cake pan and pour in the batter. Once done, tap the pan to release air bubbles and put it into the oven at 160 degrees Celsius. In the meanwhile, let's get started on the chocolate icing. Using the double boiler method, melt chunks of chocolate and stir until completely melted. Beat the melted chocolate to add air into the texture to give it that whipped look, as well as add some milk while you're at it. Add in your sugar. You should be left with a chocolate frosting that looks just like this. Use a palette knife or any normal knife to spread the icing onto your cake, which has been cooled down after getting out of the oven. This is very important. Deck your cake up with some slices of strawberries. And that's it. Your chocolate whiskey cake is ready to be served.